Today, I want to talk to you about something that deserves attention and expertise. MODICIA O.S. Caravaggio, a Linux distribution based on Debian, but completely reimagined to be fast, stable, secure, and surprisingly beautiful. This is not a distro to test in a virtual machine, and it's not a toy to review in 5 minutes. It is a professional operating system designed for those who truly work, for creators, for those who demand the most from their computer. Every graphical detail has been carefully crafted. The Cinnamon desktop has been transformed into an elegant, coherent, fluid environment. Themes, icons, transparencies, animations. Everything is designed to offer a visually pleasant, yet functional experience. Under the hood, the optimizations run deep. Low latency kernel, real-time compressed RAM, reduced swappiness, turbo boost enabled. The result? A responsive system that doesn't buckle under load. That remains smooth even with heavy software like GIMP, KDENLIVE, Darktable, or Shotcut all open at once. And then there's cleanliness. No snap, no Flatpak, only APT and app image packages. For a predictable, controllable, stable system, security is ensured by the Debian base and participation in the Open Invention Network. Updates are controlled. No surprises, no experiments. And here's the point. You can't be a tester of something you don't understand. You can't talk about MODICIA O.S. Caravaggio without at least some graphic competence and without having installed it on a real machine. Without having worked with it. Without understanding the philosophy behind every choice. Beware of improvised YouTubers. Those who open a virtual machine, glance at the menu for 30 seconds, and then throw out judgments without even understanding what they're doing. If you're looking for an operating system that lets you work, create, produce, that is fast, stable, secure, and beautiful, MODICIA O.S. Caravaggio is the answer. Thanks for listening. See you next time.